we just got word that a fire has begun. We must get there quickly in order to cause for us or fear will all be lost. Where is it, Hadley? Show you know. Tell us which way we all have to go. I'm afraid I don't know what to do. I'm a firefighting dog, but I have no clue. We'll put it together, come up with a plan, and you're very well trained, so we know that you can. And when you do, let out a big yell. Here come your friends who all want to help. I know now the fire can see. Come on, firefighter. I'm looking for fire. I only see spots. Help me, friends, to connect all these dots.
If you're feeling lost and don't know what to do, get your act together, sing a song or two. Make yourself a plan. Don't forget your shots. Just keep a level head and connect the dots. When the siren blows, it's time to heed the call. Everybody knows you have to give your all. When you're on the spot, your stomach's all a notch. Just keep a level head and connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots. If you're feeling lost and don't know what to do, get your act together, sing a song or two. Make yourself a plan. Don't forget your shots. Just keep a level head and connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots. You can call the shots if you connect the dots.
It's over there. I know now the fire can see. Come on, firefighters, follow me.